Why is your credit score like a chameleon? Credit Karma versus Borrowell. Ever check your credit score on Credit Karma, feeling pretty good about that shiny high number, only to hop on Borrowell and see a score that looks like it belongs to a distant relative with a questionable financial history? You're not alone. In the confusing world of credit scores, this happens more often than you think. But why? Why is your credit score a chameleon, changing colors depending on the platform you use? The answer lies in the behind-the-scenes world of credit bureaus. These are the big three: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, the gatekeepers of your credit history. They collect information about your borrowing habits, like credit card payments, loan balances, and even public records, and compile it all into a neat little report. This report then gets transformed into a magical number, your credit score. Here's the twist: there's not just one magical number. Each credit bureau uses its own recipe to cook up your score, meaning slight variations can exist. Now, Credit Karma and Borrowell aren't actually credit bureaus themselves, but they do partner with different bureaus to show you your score. Credit Karma typically pulls your score from TransUnion, while Borrowell relies on Equifax. So, even though the core information might be the same, the way each bureau weighs those factors can differ. For instance, let's say credit card utilization, fancy term for how much credit you're using compared to your limit, is a bigger deal for Equifax. If you have a high balance on one card, your Equifax score, and Borrowell score by extension, might take a bigger hit than your TransUnion score and Credit Karma score. Here's another wrinkle: lenders might report to one bureau more frequently than another. Imagine you just got a new loan and haven't made any payments yet. That new loan might show up on Equifax's report, but not TransUnion's just yet. This temporary discrepancy can also cause a temporary difference in your scores. Now, the million-dollar question: does it really matter which score is higher? The truth is, it depends. While lenders might use scores from all three bureaus, some might prioritize a specific one. For example, a mortgage lender might put more weight on your Equifax score. The best course of action? Monitor your reports from all three bureaus regularly. You can get free credit reports from each bureau once a year. This way you can identify any errors and keep an eye on how your score is trending. Here are some resources to help you get started. AnnualCreditReport.com. This is the official website to request your free credit reports from all three bureaus. Credit Karma and Borrowell, while their scores might differ, they offer valuable tools to track your credit health and identify areas for improvement. Remember, a healthy credit score is key to unlocking better interest rates, loan approvals, and even insurance premiums. So take charge, monitor your credit, and understand the reasons behind those score fluctuations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.